Welcome back. Well, 8 weather stations in Mumbai are under red alert. These also include Borivali, Santa Cruz, Powai, Mulund, as well as Chembur and Kolaba, Worli and Alibag area. The weather stations of Navi Mumbai, Thane as well as Kalyan are also under orange alert. As per the newscast, Raigad district is also under red alert. Several parts of the city also suffered from waterlogging, which disrupted traffic movement, and this is what we have witnessed previously as well. Multiple areas being waterlogged completely after a spell of rains. In fact, multiple videos also showed these areas completely inundated, and it led to a lot of traffic pile-up as well. We have breaking updates now coming in. The Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's inspection tour of flood-affected areas is currently underway. He inspected the dilapidated buildings. This comes after cracks had appeared in buildings near the MIDC Pencil Chowk in Baramati. The families living in the building have been evacuated. At present, the flats are completely vacant. So what we have witnessed is that because of the rains, there has been severe waterlogging in multiple areas, and today the Deputy Chief Minister has visited. There was also a threat with cracks appearing in the buildings as well. So the residents of the area have been evacuated, but the threat in multiple other areas continue because several roads across Mumbai have seen waterlogging taking place, and unfortunately now with the red and orange alert coming in, the situation could only worsen. Multiple residents have also complained of the quality of life that they've been living in Mumbai. Multiple questions also being raised to the government on the same. A spell of rains and the entire infrastructure seems to tumble. The visuals that you're seeing on the screens is the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, who went on an inspection tour. This is after multiple areas were affected because of the heavy rains. According to the forecast, the rains are going to continue in the coming 2 days. Rains can be expected in Mumbai. My colleague Nilesh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Nilesh, what is the situation there on the spot? Because weather forecast predicts more rains in Mumbai.
This is the start of the week, and the city is already experiencing some heavy downpour. Currently, we are reporting from the Andheri subway, which also happens to be one of the key important juncture which connects the city from some very important part of the other city, that is Mumbai International Airport also. But currently it is a clear situation here. No waterlogging is being currently reported. My video journalist Sachin is showing you visual from Andheri subway. You can see slight waterlogging is seen. However, it is as of now not troubling the traffic movement in the city, but multiple areas of the city, around 8 stations, have been reported to be under red alert by the IMD, including Thane and Raigad are also on to alert. Now, BMC officials have taken their steps as well. Multiple pumping stations have planted at multiple areas, and as of now BMC has identified around 90 plus buildings which are under dangerous condition. They are also under the process of evacuation, given perspective that every year multiple building collapses are being reported. The IMD as of now has issued guidelines for the city as well, and has mentioned that a heavy downpour is what is expected as of today. Dark clouds will be onto the city for the whole day. Now this rain has been continuing for past several hours, which early started today around 3 AM in the morning, and the drizzle still continues with certain areas reporting slight water accumulation into the area. But as of now, no major trouble has been reported. However, the railway line are also being reportedly around 10 to 15 minute delay, but that is not a massive problem as of now. But all the agencies and departments are on to alert, safeguarding the safety measures for the citizens of Mumbai.
Okay, all right. Nilesh, thank you for joining us with those details. So the people in Mumbaikars will be gearing up for the heavy rains, and it's the same story every single year, and the residents have been demanding better quality of life, saying this is the financial capital of the nation, and it can't be coming to a grinding halt every single time during the rains. So you're seeing the visuals on the screens. It's currently raining in Mumbai. Unfortunately, after a spell of rains in Mumbai, there are several areas that get completely waterlogged, affecting traffic and the daily life of the people there. And well, on that note,